Hi, my name is Krishnakant Verma, and today I'm going to discuss about Amazon Replica product given by Adioda Digital University. So let me quickly go through with the problem statement which I have to do as a project developer. So firstly, problem detail is as follow. Like we have end users for the Python app will be admins and members. So when like login and registration functionality will be there, so user will be able to register their self and he will also be able to log in their self. So user like the functionality which is like as user will log in as an admin, or then this kind of functionality will be there: create product, view product list, view order details, update product, delete product, and log out. And if he will be like a member, so for the member, create new order, view order history, update profile, and log out. And he can also update password too if he want. And for create product functionality, we have given some functionality of the product. So it will based on product ID. If he'll give a right product ID, then it will change the product functionality. So product ID will be auto-generated value. For now, I'm not using auto-generated value because I have to check my code if it is working properly or not. So I will give one product ID for now, and product name, manufacturer's name, price, discount, and total stock available. All that functionality will be there. So product yes, and product listing functionality is also the same, like as I said about product update or create functionality. And view order is here, like when anyone will place any order, so member detail will be displayed here, and the product list will be displayed here, and discount, quantity, order, total price, all that thing will be displayed here. So, and create order functionality is also there. So the problem statement is given for create the order functionality, product ID. Members should be able to create new orders, or like they can also see the orders which they have placed using order ID. And common functionality is there, like login is the common functionality. Both admin and member can log into the application. Registration, by default, create an admin with the following credential: username admin and password admin. So what I have done, I have created one like pre-profile, and I have given password admin and username admin. Let me quickly go through with the code, so you will be able to like understand it in a better way. So for that, I will go to here is my command prompt. So using command prompt, I will type CMD, and we'll make it little zoom, and Python. So welcome to Amazon Replica project. My like application is running now. So at first it's asking for a credential. Like I have given admin, and admin as a protection credential. So anyone can log in writing after admin and admin. So like I have entered successfully, and here is two portion. One is user registration, the second is login form. I have taken it in at first because I want anyone to register. Like if he want to register as a user or as a admin, he will have to register. So that's why I have written registration and login in front, because anyone if new is coming, don't know he is an admin or he is a member, so accordingly they can register. So if I'll press 1 for registration, it's asking my name, Krishna, email ID kv@kv.com, address Kolkata as of now, and username admin I'll take, and password 12345, my favorite. And press 1 for admin and press 2 for members. So after registering, you can choose either you want to be an admin or you want to be a member. Like if you want to be a member, then the functionality of member will be displayed there, and if you want to go to the admins, then the functionality of admin will be there. So let me quickly go to admins. Like, so admin having the following functionality: the one is create product, second is view product, third is view order details, update product, delete product, and log out. Okay, so let me create one product at first. So what will the product name? Umbrella. Okay, who is manufacturer? Casey Paul. Casey Paul. Product ID I'll give one. It's my first product. I'm not giving it in random. I can use random.random function and I can give a random product ID there. But as of now, what I'm doing, I'm checking my code if it is running perfectly or not. So I'm giving a user input product ID, which is I'm inputting as a like admin. So accordingly, if I want to check it later on, I can check by that product ID. Product price 120 and discount will be 10%. So product added successfully. Press enter for the next. So I want to see that my product is added successfully or not. So I'll go to 2, enter product ID. So 1 is the product ID. Yes, now I can see my product is successfully created. Like here is umbrella, manufacturers, all the details. And after then I want to, so like I have created one product. Okay, let me go ahead. So I have already viewed product. So view order detail. Actually, I haven't created any order yet, so I am not able to view order detail. But I'll go quickly to update products. Like I'll type for here, and yes, here it's asking me what do you want to update. Like update product name, manufacturer's name, price, discount. So I'll update like product name at first. So like what is new product name? So umbrella. uh, I'll type Casey Das umbrella. Okay, I'll view product again, and my product ID is 1. So my product name is updated now. It's like Casey Das umbrella have become. I'll update manufacturer's name. Let me quickly go ahead to update manufacturer's name. Uh, what I'm doing. Yes, and I'll type 1. Manufacturer's name is KV, and let me quickly see if manufacturer name is updated. Yes, so now KV is manufacturer. So all these functionality is working well. Let me quickly go ahead. So I have delete product and log out option. I don't want to delete this product because I want to check ahead another options too. So let me log it out. And again, it's asking me username. So my username is admin, and admin. Actually, I have given this username and password to like validate any user. If anyone will go, so it will validate that. So admin, yes, I have entered successfully. So this time I will not register myself because I have already registered. I'll log in. So what was my admin, and my password was 12345. 12345. Let me quickly check it. So I'll enter. Oh, I have mistyped there. So, okay, I'll change that. So press 1 for admin, press 2 for member, and it's asking me again the same thing. So this time I'll go as a member. So member is activated here. So it's asking me the functionality of the member, like press 1 to create new order, press 2 for view order history, press 3 for update profile. Let me quickly go with 1. Enter product ID you want to order. I have only one product as of now. So the product is 1. Total stock available is 1 because I have, sorry, because I have only one products. So the product ID 1 has been added to the shopping list. Enter next. So the 2 is view order history, and 3 is update profile. So if I want to update my profile, as I have updated there, I can update my name too. I can update my everything. Like if I press 3, username and password, again it's asking to validate me. Admin 12345. Okay, so I'll log it out. What happening with this? You have successfully logged out. Okay, so this is all about the functionality which I have more many other functionalities too, which I'll discuss in code. Let me quickly go through the codes which I have created, so I'll be able to like show the codes too. So here is I have defined, as I mentioned already, that I'll use random function to use this to generate product ID. So here is random function. And at first, my first task is I have created one class, that is Amazon, and inside the class I have used class method to call all that function which I want. So in Amazon class, I have called at first add products, because I'm adding products, and I have stored one dictionary here. I'm storing all that data in a dictionary PD, and then this all data is being stored in product details. So at first I have taken user input like product name, manufacturer's name, product ID, price, discount, as I've already shown you in my code. So this all function is given there, and the details. Secondly is that I'm printing all the details which I'm taking from user. So I've created another class method, and I have defined one function, that is details. So another class method I have given PDID to validate that class method, to validate the data by product ID. So like here again, I have defined for delete member, for registration, like when any new user will come, will have to register. So under registration, new name, user email, address, username, and password. All that detail I'm taking from users. And again, I'm storing this in a dictionary, that is user details, which I've created there. And all this data is going to users details, which I have created here, users details on another dictionary to store the data. And user information is again to the users, like when I'll when anyone will order anything, so user information will also be printed there. And a stock checking for a stock checking, I have written a normal function of Leno PDID, like if anyone creating a product, so it will go in stock automatically, and it will show the total Leno. And if anyone will book that product, so it will minus by 1, or if it will book by 2, it will minus by 2. So accordingly my function is working. Again, sorry, again here I had defined one class method user login, but I don't think that I need this, so I have commented it out. From here my loop is started, like I've created everything in while loop. So at first I'm validating it, like if username is equal to admin and password is admin, then only go ahead, otherwise tell him that input a valid details, because in my problem statement it was written that username and this password will be admin. So that's what I have done now. User option is here I have given one user option. One is for registration, two is for login. So accordingly, user, if he want to register, then Amazon.registration, it will go to the registration function. If he want to log in, then I have given one another input for the login. So I'm also checking if condition here, if username in user detail and password in user details, then only he will it will print out your login, or it will go ahead to the next function. Here I have written one x is an input, which is asking user that if you want to go for as an admin, or you want to go for as a member. So from here my while loop started, while chosen option is not equal to 0, then if x is equal to 1, choose option is up to 100. So I can create any function I want, so it will run in a continuous loop. So if choose option is equal to 1, create then here I have given all that functionality and the choose option. So if x is equal to 1, then admin part will be open, and then all that functionality of the admin will be displayed here, add products functionality is there, then print functionality is there. So all that like functions I have created above, which I have already shown you, and here I'm iterating that function, and I'm printing that outputs. And again, this all things is here, user option, all that, like if you want to change anything, so in 4 I have given that functionality to change anything. I have iterated product detail in product ID to validate it, and if you want to change a new name is written there, so it's taking input from user, and it's giving it, assigning the value to the new name. So it's being stored there in product details. So accordingly, I have given a stock checking function here in 5. So it's also checking stock, like if stock is there, then only it will delete. So delete function is also written above. So accordingly, it's deleting, like if anyone want to delete anything, so it's deleting that details. Okay, so and in second portion, I have given one another here, if x is equal to 2, then it will go to member. So member activate will be output of that, and it's also giving. So here there was 2 3 functionalities. Let me quickly go through with that. So if he's choosing option 1, then create new order, option 2 for view order, option 3 for history, order history, and update profile and log out. So all that functionality is given here. Again, I'm iterating my loop, and I'm giving a user to choose an option. Like if he is going to 1, then he will be able to create new order. If he's going to 2, then he will be able to view his orders what he have already ordered. If he's going 3, then he will be able to update like his name, email address and password. I'm not allowing them to update username. I'm allowing them to update password as a new password only. So all this functionality is here, and 0 is for logout. So this is all about the my function. And for the stock, I have written one, I've already mentioned you that. So this is running perfectly. Okay, thank you.